Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how I made my earth drill. I need this drill to make some holes for my fence, but I will use it afterwards for planting some trees and plants, so this drill can be useful for you as well for planting some trees or some plants, or even if you have a lot of underground water, so you can drill some well. So I've got some things, or few things. This is main plate which will drill into the ground. It's quite thick plate, it's about 4 mm thick, and I know it's got a lot of holes, but I've got it for free, so I don't care, and it's quite strong, so this hole is, I guess, won't be problem. Next thing, very important, is pipe. I have bought this quite big pipe. I've got it for, what it was, about $5, no, $7 probably, something like that. And it's really tall, so I will cut it to make it shorter. Next thing is I've got this, how it's called, I don't know, big screw. So that's it. I've got these few things and some plates. First thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it because it's too big, and I want to be my drill. I want my drill to be about 120 centimeters tall, because I need to drill about 50 centimeters into the ground. So 120, it will be quite good size. So I'm going to measure and cut it. It's cut it, and the idea is that I will take this big screw or big bolt, and I will insert it into this tube or pipe, and here will be the plate somewhere here, and from this side, from here, there will be spike, spike to go into the ground, something, just small spike, about 5 centimeters max, 3, 4, doesn't matter. So now I'm going to create the spike. This is it. So it's quite sharp spike. It will bury into the ground. Okay, that's good for now. Now I'm going to, let me show you from top. I need to create a circle from this plate, and I need to be about 30 centimeters in diameter, and this plate is 41. So I already drilled hole in the middle here, and now I'm going to mark where I will cut, and after that I will cut the circle. Let's do it. I don't want to be too precise, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put here this small nail. I will use this old wire, just bend it like this. It will be going around in a circle, and stick the pen here. Here. good enough for me. Now I'm going to cut it. It will be a lot of cutting, but it needs to be done. So, plate is done. It's looking much better now. It was not that horrible as I thought, but it took some time to do it. Now I'm not going to drill hole, but I am going to mark somewhere in the middle, hopefully. Or better idea will be taking this screw and mark from inside, or this washer. Yeah. It's much better, I can see. Good. Now I wanna cut one more thing. Oh, it's quite heavy. I wanna cut something like V shape. So it will be, this is the size of the screw. So I will cut a little bit smaller, like this one. And this. I guess that's enough. And from here I will cut the V shape. For example, this will be better. So it's done. Now the idea is that this hole is smaller than this. So I'm going to cut. How to show you? Somewhere in this position I'm going to cut the hole, or I don't know how it's say. Anyway, I'm going to cut with my tool here and on the other side to get this screw in the middle. So that's because I don't want, if you will twist on it and push to the ground, this plate will twist together and I don't need any mechanism to lock it. So I will just mark here, on the other side, cut the same size from the top. You can see it's only 2 or 3 millimeters here and 2 or 3 millimeters here on this screw, and make it sit straight in the middle. So that's something like that. As you can see, I cut it from the one side and from the other side, and the idea is that this will go into the plate. I need to take hammer it to the middle. Hopefully will be big enough. If no, I will cut a little bit more from the both sides, and I want to get it straight to the middle. And voila, this is it. That's what I wanted. This is my spike, this will go to the ground, and I don't want to break my table. This will be, it's as you can see, it's in the middle, so that's what I wanted. Anyway, be careful, you can see my hand, everything is sharp. Outside is almost dark, so I'm going to quickly make sharp. So I'm going to quickly make sharp one side. I want to turn clockwise, so I'm going to bend this side down, like, I don't know, this way, and this side will go this way. So when I will turn clockwise, this side will go and bury to the ground, and this side will lift the soil. I need to make this side sharp, so I'm going to just at the angle cut it just this bit all the way down to the middle. Okay, I have cut it. To show you, as you can see, is at the angle. I'm almost ready with the bottom part of my drill. Now I need to just fix it in case if it will jump out. So I will take this plate like this. I will take this plate. I already have one hole, so but this is too long. I don't want it to be that long, so that's enough. This is one hole, and I will cut it here. Yeah, here. And I will make hole somewhere here. Hole is ready, and it's making a lot of mess, so I will drill next holes outside now. This piece I will cut off tomorrow, so this will go away. This will be good. So I need to drill holes here. Plate is ready, and now I'm going to put screws in. These are screws with this type of head. You can use whatever type of screws you want. I just have this kind of screw, so I'm going to put it down on the bottom side, so it won't it will be better for soil and this stuff. So I'm going to put it here. That's how it will look from bottom side. As you can see, screws are really not big, but you can use any type of screw you want. Okay, so now that's the idea of the bottom part. One more thing I need to do is upper part with this tube. So the idea is to put this bottom part here inside to the tube. For example, in this distance, it will look like this. One more thing I will need to do afterwards, I need to bend this side this way and this side up, and hopefully it will dig through the soil. For now I'm going to just drill 2 more holes somewhere here and put inside these bigger screws, because these screws will take the torque force, so hopefully it won't cut them in half. So I will put one screw here, another here, and hopefully it will be enough to hold it on place. Now just add the screw. And voila, that's it. And that's it for today. I will need to do something for hold to twist this thing, some handle or something, but I will do it tomorrow because I'm tired now and I wanna go sleep, so hopefully tomorrow I will finish this project and try it out.